See him again then. I've been realising for ages that I'm, you know, slightly out of step. I should have had a baby by now. Everyone expected it. I'm sure my husband thinks I'm sterile. He's always mooning at me, you know, come off the pill, let's have a baby. I told him I'd come off it just to shut him up. But I'm still on it. See, I didn't want a baby then. See, I wanted to discover myself first. Can you understand that? Yeah, well, everyone around our way, they think I was mental. I tried to explain it to my husband, but between you and me, I think he's thick. No, he's not thick, he's just blind. He doesn't want to see. See, if I'm reading or watching something different on the telly, he gets dead nagged. I used to just tell him to piss off, but then I realised that it's no good doing that I had to explain it to him. So, I tried to explain how, like, I wanted a better way of living my life. And he listened. But he didn't understand. Because when I had finished, he said that he'd agreed with me that we should start saving the money to move off our estate and get a house out in Thornby. Even if it was the new house I wanted. I wouldn't go and live in Thornby. I hate that home. Do you?